How to add automatic captions to videos in CapCut. Now, to work on your videos, look at this down place that says edit, audio, text, overlay, effects, captions, all those things. Now, if you want to add captions to your videos, you click on this thing that says captions. Okay, we want this automatic caption to generate this caption from our videos, so we are going to click on the video, and of course we click on generate. When we click on generate, whatever it is you said on the video will be automatically translated to text on your screen, and of course from here you can generate your captions for your videos. We click on generate, and here it is generating the auto captions for us. It always takes forever. That is it about that. If you want to go back to the main menu, of course, because these are basically like the sub menus, click on this arrow and it takes you back to the main menu.
And once again, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you will always get notified whenever I make new videos. I'm going to see you guys in my next one. I'll see you when I see you.